Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 6610. It's marked as BL6610 in the catalog. This is a coat and hat hook and a US15 finish is how they have this listed. Let's take a look at it. I have one removed from the package. Certainly very complementary, or certainly complementary to satin nickel. I wouldn't say very, but is something that would be along the vein of what you're trying to accomplish if looking for nickel. They say that the material is cast steel. Not familiar of casting steel. It's not magnetic. It's probably zinc would be my guess. It's fairly dense, meaning it's fairly heavy. About a 20th of a pound, 0.05. Okay. Comes with a couple of screws and a complementary finish. Okay, the lights just went out. Problem is mitigated. A couple of screws, complementary finish, dimensional properties. Let's go over that now. They say that the upper projection is 2 13/16. I would say that that is closer to 3 inch. Projection of the lower portion, they have it at 1 5/16. I'd say that that'd be right on. And overall height we can kind of gauge on the camera at about 2 inch. Overall width on the back, about 1 inch. Overall height of the back area, or the mounting area, is about 1 9/16 inches. This hook, very inexpensive, but certainly serves a purpose if you're looking for something inexpensive. I would not really have any reservations about using this. The narrow yet tall profile would certainly make this strong, just the design of it alone. This is going to be available in US5, which is an antique brass, US4, which is satin brass, US3, polished brass, US2060, satin chrome, US26, bright chrome, US15, satin nickel, and US10A, which is an antique bronze. All of those finishes are just going to be complementary. They're not true architectural finishes, but for the cost, it's hard to find fault in something because of the finish not being exact. The name Hager is quite synonymous with trim and auxiliary hardware, not only coat and hat hooks, of course, but door stops, push and pull hardware, kick plates, armor plates, things of that nature. That's just the beginning, though, for Hager. Everything as it pertains to the doorway, the door and the frame, Hager provides hardware for. They provide, frankly, everything except the door and frame itself. And I wouldn't be surprised to learn that they were working on that as well. Exit devices, door closers, lock sets, aluminum continuous geared hinges under the Roton name, weather stripping, sliding door hardware for pocket, bifold, bypass, typical sliding material. But it's their namesake, Hager hinge, that they're most widely known for. Everything as it pertains to commercial and residential hinges, the name Hager hinge is quite synonymous. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can certainly review all the Hager items that we sell. That would be a daunting task because there's tens of thousands of them in the website. Probably more appropriate would be just simply the link to the product catalog, that while it is a gigantic document, is ultimately helpful if you at least scan or find or get to the section that pertains. You can review in excellent detail all the particular items centered around a specific item that you need. You're looking for a 5-inch wide saddle threshold, get to the weather stripping portion, find the saddle thresholds, and look around page before, page after, and you'll see everything. Get the part number, of which you can then populate that into the website and be on your way. Any questions on the Hager BL6610 US15 coat and hat hook or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.